Robas here, King of Sweden. I'm playing Oh no, how do you say middle? Medal of Honor? Medal of Honor? Warfighter. It's for the Xbox. It's the beta though.
Good to go.
I'm going to play as a Swede. I do have a Canadian on my team as well. He makes me all the pancakes and maple syrup I want. Unlimited supplies. I'm actually playing a Swedish scout. A Swedish scout class shotgun and shit. Oh, hello! Wow! That guy is a badass! Ah, Superman! Fuck you! Get back to Batman? What the fuck am I talking about? Hello, oh no. Never mind, we're flanking him. You need to unleash the Viking inside of you. You need to think logically. If you flank them, they will get confused. Look, where did he go? Hello! I confused myself though. What are you doing? Oh, he died. I like this shotgun though. It's fucking awesome. Hello, oh no. Oh yeah, it's a nipple inspector! Oh, you didn't get any lock on? Oh, that's sad. I'm not sure if you can get it. Oh, hello, are you hiding in the bush? Camping bitch. You need to move. Keep moving, always move. Oh shit! Oh no. Look, see that? That's the problem there. I should have just rushed him. Always move. New assault unlock. Oh yeah, the body spawn. I like this. This is pretty cool. You can actually spawn. It's like you jump off their back. Oh hello. Ah! I want to ask you a question. Too bad you didn't answer me because you died. Oh shit. Hello. Whoa. Oh, that's the nipple inspector in town. Bah! Oh no, snotted all over the place. Planting the bomb in my fucking neighborhood. Oh yes. Oh, this bomb is my bomb now. I will eat it for breakfast. Ah, nom nom. Hello. It's not like I'm even trying. I'm not even trying. A new support action. Fuck that shit. This isn't Call of Duty, or is it? Perhaps I'm playing Call of Duty. No. No. Don't even think about it. No. That's sick. Hello, I saw you. Got fucking X-ray vision in this game. Hello. Oh no! Ah! Shit, why can't he stand still? Stand still! The best offense, the best defense is a good axe up the asshole! Oh, come on, asshole! Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no! Okay, we need to rethink here. We can't sit here. Always move. We need to flank them. I don't care what these guys do. They don't know what they're talking about. Guess they cover. Okay, I will get my spawn mate on me. Oh shit, come on. I hope he follows me. No, he doesn't. Asshole. Come on. Oh! Oh yes, here we go. Here we go. Valhalla hungers for your souls. Nom 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 nom. Oh shit, they died. Oh shit. Oh. Hello. Recon pussy. Asshole. Valhalla. Oh no, I killed him. I killed a Viking. It's a sad day now. Oh shit. Is that friendly? I'd have a plan for the bomb though. I should. Oh. Whoa! It's quite nice. You can actually use the snipers in this. Quite close. Of course, not that guy. I killed him. Oh shit. Oh, hello. 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 Valhalla. Oh shit. Don't burp now, Ramas. Ah, Valhalla hungers for your soul. Oh shit. Okay, I can feel it's the rage inside of me ventilating when I burp and speak at the same time. It's not enough. The breathing isn't sufficient enough to ventilate my rage. Hello, yeah. How are you? I did nipple inspection. Oh, fuck! Oh! Who did that? Oh, you fucking sniper pussy bitch. Bitch. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Flank that bitch. Take it. Oh, hello! Yes! Darlings! This is Valhalla! Oh no. I'm getting 2 pumps now! Oh yes. Oh, yes, I like this new weapon. Oh yes. Oh, I can see you there, little tit. Oh, you can't. Oh, fuck you, you little camp. Oh, fuck, I'm stuck. Oh, shit. Oh. No, no! Yeah. Oh, shit. Oh, yes. That's hilarious. That's hilarious. Holy shit. Oh, I can feel the blood pumping. Oh, wow. People probably want me to... Oh, hello! Hello! Valhalla! Oh, yes. Axe in the ass. Like that, don't you? Wow, that's... Imagine taking a shit with an axe up your... Oh! Hello, darlings! Ah! Valhalla wants your souls! Wow! Oh, shit, sorry. Oh, my neighbors hates me! Oh no! Okay, then take it easy. I need to take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy, take it easy. Oh shit! Look at that guy! What's he doing? What's he doing? Oh no! Oh shit! Oh fuck! Oh wow! Look at that! Look at the stats! What? Oh fuck you, Xbox! I didn't know it was this fun to play on Xbox. Oh shit! Oh hello! Oh no! Why are you doing this? They are trying to kill me with happiness. I don't want to die by happiness. Oh shit! Oh, those... I will flank them and put my axe in their asshole. Oh no! Oh shit! Fuck! Oh, oh no! Look at me! Oh fuck! I'm hula-hulaing down. Never mind. My Canadian friend will save me. Oh, you don't... What? Oh no! What? How could you do that? Hello. I saw you, pussy recon bitch. Asshole. Flashbang, bitch. Where the fuck did it go? Are you here? No! No, that wasn't the guy. Oh well. Oh shit. Sidearm ribbon.
There it is. Let's take the objective.
Oh, I'm corporal now. Not private anymore. Hello. Stand still! I want your ass! Oh wow. Oh no, I saw you, bitch. I saw you, bitch. Gonna hide in the house?
Eyes on the
Fuck.
objective.
Coming for you.
In place, Atlas.
Can you feel it? Can you feel the fucking vengeance? The rage slowly creeping up on you, you camping assholes. Shit. Oh, hello. Bye bye. Valhalla! We need to bomb 3 more. We have planted it though. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh no. Ah! Oh shit. Wee! I went to Valhalla in style. Okay. Oh, US Army. Okay, that's good. That's good. I don't give a fuck. I want to play more. No!
That's it.
It's over. Oh no! Never mind. We won this shit. For the glory of Valhalla. Yes! Ah! Oh, that's not bad. I like those stats. That's good. Anyway, like and favorite this shit. Become a Viking today. I've been screaming a lot.